Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. Well, it's Halloween week, and today we are starting this week with the Boo Tube Spirit Week that has been put together by Nova at Nova Gnome Creations. And today is Mermaid Monday. And so I wanted to show you something that I made that is mermaid related, and I think it's really cute. It is a little bag with a mermaid tail. So I made this little bag for Mermaid Monday. So what Nova Gnome is doing is each day this week, she is for Spirit Week. It's a different theme, and you can make something and show it on your channel and use the hashtag. I have to look it up. It's BooTube Spirit Week 2025, I think. Let me look on here and make absolute sure. But it'll be in the description box so you can link it. Hashtag BooTube Spirit Week. Okay. And so make sure you use that hashtag if you do this. Use that hashtag in your title of your video so Nova can see it and see all the fun things you're making. She has her video out. She has done a really cute mermaid makeup. So you need to go check her video out and see that. But this is my little mermaid bag. Yep. And I will link the pattern to this bag in the description box. So just wanted to share that. This is going to be fun. Tomorrow is Tarantula Tuesday. So stay tuned for that one for tomorrow. I will be showing each one of my projects for each day this week. Tomorrow is Tarantula Tuesday. Wednesday is Witchy Wednesday. Then we have Gorgeous Thursday, so some type of gourd. And then Friday is Funny Bones Friday. So stay tuned this week for all of those, and I hope you participate and give Nova a shout out and join her in this BooTube Spirit Week. So it's going to be lots of fun. Just wanted to update you on some things. I need to organize my yarn room because I don't know if you can see. I'm going to tip this up and show you. Do you see all these bags sitting on the floor? Okay, I have been working on projects, and there's more. Oh, sorry, there's more even on this side. And I have been working on projects for Battle of the Stitches, for customers, for Christmas gifts, and it's getting crazy up here. And I see, I even have stuff over here on my table, and I can't. It's driving me insane. I can't do any more until I organize this. So I'm joining in with Lori. Was watching Lori. She's been doing this. She said that Crafting Kitty, Erin at Crafting Kitty has started this, and it's oh my goodness, am I just going to completely lose track of thought today? It is Yarn Management Monday. So on Mondays, I'm just telling you what I'm getting ready to manage. Next Monday, I'm going to start going through these project bags, and we're going to start organizing in this room and getting it back to normal, whatever normal is. So, yeah, that's what I've got to do because I can't, there's too much craziness going on around me that my mind can't think on what I have to do. So I have got to get this stuff organized and put away. And I told myself when I did this before, when I organized my room before, I was going to work on a project, put the stuff away when I was done. That has not happened because I can't work on just one project. I have to work on 3, 4, or 5 projects at the same time. Is anybody else like that? Do you work on one thing, get it done, and then move on to something else? Or do you have 4, 5, 6 things going at once and you just keep going back and forth? Yeah. I do that on projects until I'm almost at the end, and then I super hyper focus to get it done. So if you guys are like that, let me know that I'm not the only one who does that. So yeah, so this week I'll be doing the BooTube Spirit Week each day. Tomorrow on Tuesday, I'm going to show you an update on some things I'm working on for Christmas gifts. Wednesday is our live for Battle of the Stitches. That will be at 2 p.m. Central. And you can join me. It'll be Heather from Strings and Threads, Camille from Camille's Creations, and oh my goodness, Camille from Camille's Creations, and Paige from Paige Loves Pumpkins. I'm telling you, my brain is not wanting to work this morning. So tune in and watch that this Wednesday. And then Thursday, who knows? I'm not sure. I'm going to have, like I said, I'm going to be doing the Spirit Week each day too. So, and then Friday, we'll just do a catch up and I'll show you some more things that I've completed. So yeah, that's kind of how this week is going to go. Thursday night, I will be doing a live with Shannon. We are having our Halloween spooky part, not birthday. We already did that. We're having our spooky Halloween party and we're going to be in our Halloween themed PJs. We're going to be playing games and just having lots of fun. So I will have a post about that to put up here very soon. So make sure you tune into that. And yeah, that's how the week is going to go this week. I'm getting ready to go over and help my mom with getting her grocery order together. And yeah, she's needing some groceries, so we're going to go do that. And then I'm going to get the house in order for my kids. My oldest daughter and her family's coming to visit this weekend, and so I've got to get things ready for them. And they're actually coming to help us finish getting everything packed up from the kitchen and getting things moved out to the garage. Because next week they're going to start on my kitchen, November 5th. Ah, finally. So that will be yeah, let me see. They were, I've told y'all they were supposed to already start all of this, but oh well. Yeah, not this Wednesday, but next Wednesday. So my daughter said that they would come up and help us get the last few things packed up and ready. And that means that um, I've got to go buy paper plates and plastic utensils, because I won't have a dishwasher once they start remodeling. Um, so we're going to be doing that, and we're going to see how it works. My husband said we just go out to eat, but I'm trying not to spend that much money, um, going out to dinner every night while they're working on this construction. But our refrigerator and everything is going to be moved out into the garage. So we're going to be parking in the driveway instead of parking in the garage for till they get this finished. Um, and I'm going to move my Instapot. I haven't decided if I think I want to use the Instapot because it's just me and him instead of my crock pot. And I'm going to bring my Instapot on a table in my living room. And that's what I'm going to cook out of is my Instapot. So a lot of pasta stuff and soups, which is fine with me because it's starting to turn cold here. And so lots of soups planned and that kind of thing. And so we'll have to be eating out of our living room for a week, and then we will be going the next week, leaving for Disney for my grandson, for the trip with my grandson. So I'm really excited about that. So hopefully they will work on it for a whole week. We will leave for Disney. They're going to continue to work on our kitchen while we're gone. And maybe, fingers crossed, they may just be done or almost done when we get back from Disney. If we get a call while we're going on our vacation and they say they have finished, I am going to be doing a happy dance. And then I'll be anxious to get home to see my new kitchen. So yeah, that all starts on the 5th. I finally figured out for Battle of the Stitches, um, we have for November is the brick stitch, and you have a choice of whether to do the solid or two color. And I have been racking my brain trying to figure out what in the world I'm going to do with this stitch, and I finally figured out something. So I'm starting to work on that. We have Lori, the armchair chef, joining us, and Sarah from One Hand Two Hooks. So they will be joining Heather and myself in November for the brick stitch. So I encourage you guys to make something with that. Send me pictures. Let me know what you've made. Send me pictures and let me know what name to use, and I will share your pictures on my videos. I will share them in a post on my page so everybody can see your beautiful work. And also post your pictures on our Facebook page, Battle of the Stitches, because every 4 months, Heather and I draw a name for someone out of everyone that has posted pictures. We draw one name and you get some happy mail from either me or Heather. So make sure you do that. So yeah, I'm going to get off of here. I need to get over to my mom's and help her out with some things this morning. But join in. Let me see what you've made. If you have anything mermaid related, send me pictures. And if you have anything related to tarantula, send me pictures and I'll share them with tomorrow's video. I'll share the pictures that you send. And yeah, let's join in and help Nova really support her with her Boo Tube Spirit Week. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.